Hey everyone, since we hit 100 followers, as promised, I'm gonna give you the recipe to my famous flaming shot, the B-73. And yeah, let's get started. Thanks everyone for the follows, by the way. Obviously you require a shot glass, a straw, keep that with you at all times, because you can't do this without it, and something to light it on fire. So hold on to that please, yeah. Also recommended items, a spoon. That's it. We're gonna start off with the Kahlua here. Make sure it's 1/4 of the shot glass. It can be a little bit more because the last ingredient is really strong. It's 69%. So if you don't like the strong flavor of that, you can minimize it, okay? Just a little bit. Just make it a little bit less than 10 mil or 1 centiliter or whatever it is in ounces. For the next one, grab your spoon, grab Bailey's, okay? Add the spoon on top of the layer and then slowly pour in the Bailey's, okay? So it creates this layer effect. Awesome. Look at that. 10 Cointreau. It's orange liqueur. Awesome stuff. They also use it in cooking. For the next layer, trick. Keep the spoon on top of it and pour really slowly. Oh shit. Yeah, boy. That's it. As you can see, I was a little bit too fast, but it creates a really nice effect, so I don't mind. I really don't mind. And now to make it flammable, the last layer. And finish it. Okay. Ooh, really strong stuff. So, that's the shot for you guys. Looks awesome, doesn't it? So now, to finish it, thanks for holding on to it. Love you. Grab your lighter and your straw. Really fun thing to try with your friends. 18 plus, 21 plus, depending on where you live, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Beautiful. Here, you can hold on to that again. Hey, come on. I mean, doesn't this really look awesome? And to shot it, don't blow out the fire. It's a shot, take it in one sip, use the straw, nothing will happen. I'm gonna do it right now. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Oh yeah. Don't feel bad if you leave a little bit in the glass, because of the straw, you can get everything out. At the end, just sip the straw, make sure the glass is cooled off, and lovely. Oh my god. As Kahlua obviously being a coffee liqueur, this gives you a really good boost to start the night off. I mean, awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Try this at home. Tune into the stream. Bye.